EM3801 Afternoon Coffee Calibration. Coffee extraction set in 30G, output in 25 seconds. This coffee machine has a triple boiling system, which you can extract your coffee and steam your milk at the same time. Triple boiling system separate the wet and dried steam of your milk, may result in a smooth and velvety texture to your milk. It can reach your desired temperature and milk texture. Always clean after use. Let's try to make a latte art. And the result may surprise me.